Hi, my name is Danielle Walker. I am a health advocate, wellness expert, self-trained chef, and New York Times best-selling cookbook author. For over a decade now, I've shared thousands of grain-free and gluten-free recipes through my blog and cookbooks. Now I'm launching my first ever cooking courses and building a community of home cooks who share the same passion of learning how to cook healthy, nutritious meals that their families will love too. With this course, you'll receive exclusive weekly content and direct access to me and others through a private food community. You'll get special access to step-by-step recipe tutorials, exclusive community Q&A times with me, instructional downloads, cooking basics, tips and tricks, and so much more. So, are you ready to take the next step on your journey toward healthier living? Grab those aprons, cutting boards, and knives, and let's get started.